Yo guys, what is up? This is Calvin here. Welcome to the first video on this channel. Hope you liked it. It was a prank by me and Sphere. We'll be doing more videos hopefully soon. And yeah, this video was just a mini prank we done. And sorry about this background. It's just hard to think of something to go in the background. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.
Ah! They're looking, oh my god, they're flipping looking. Oh my god, sorry, stop calling again. They keep looking, they keep looking. They keep looking. There's more people coming, okay? Go, see you in a minute, guys.
Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. We'll be doing more videos soon, hopefully. Just suggest stuff to do in the comments, just like challenges, like Cinema Challenge, everyone knows that challenge, but stuff like that. Or more pranks you want us to do, or more videos you want to do, just leave that in the comment section below. And yes, the comments messed up now with Google Plus, but oh well, it doesn't really matter. If you have a Google Plus account, just tell us what we have to do, and we'll hopefully do it for you. So yes, see you guys, hopefully you have a nice day, and peace out.